Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another page that I got done at the crop that I went to back on June 1st, where I completed 11 layouts in one day. It was a one-day crop, so it wasn't a weekend thing, but I got 11 layouts done. I'm going to share them all with you. This is layout number 5. And this one, when I opened it, my page kit, there was quite a few things that were, it was scraps, and I love to scrap with scraps because when I open the kit, I look at it and say, what can I do with the scraps the way they are, or maybe just tweak them a little bit. And this one here had a 3 by 12 strip in green, and I'm going to put that to the left of the layout. And then there was a piece, it was probably like 8 by 12, and I just stuck it underneath that green pattern paper, made it go off the layout, and then I just cut off the piece that was extra. There was quite a few washi tapes that I had set aside to use with these page kits, and I don't think I had used too many up to now, or even if I had used any at all. So I was like, you know what? I got to use some of those washi tapes. So I used the flower washi tape. I think that's a simple story washi tape. And then there was just above the brown cardstock and below the brown cardstock, I did use another washi tape. And I think, if I remember correctly, before I finish this page, I end up putting another strip on the other side of the green. But at this point, I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to use the one for now. And then I can decide later if I want to put some more. I want to put 2 photos on this layout. I kind of worked, I think they're 3 maybe by 5.5 or something like that. I kind of put them vertically at first, and then I decide, no, you know what? I'm going to go horizontally, kind of like how the brown cardstock was. I could have kept it vertically and it would have been fine. A lot of times when we work on these layouts, right, it's how we feel in the moment that we're creating these pages. I could use the exact same embellishments and pattern papers another day, and I would come up with an entirely different layout. One thing too that I forgot is I don't even know if that's not left over from page 4 that, or layout 4 that we did, because I know I made like 21 page kits to go, but I'm pretty sure there was a couple pages that I got done that I ended up just using scraps. I like doing that too. And a lot of times when I'll do lives, I'll do that. I'll take out one paper kit, and then all of a sudden I make 2 or 3 page kits using that paper kit. And that's just getting more bang for your buck, right? So I'm not really sure if this was one of them, but just know that out of the 11, I'm pretty sure there was at least 2 that was left over from the page before. Now, when I looked at everything that was in the page kit, there was a bunch of butterflies, and I was like, oh, I like that. And I remembered some pictures. Now, I'm going to have to go way back, probably 2015 or 2016. We took Mason to Butterfly World here in our city, and I have so many cute pictures of him in that Butterfly World place. So I think even this must be one of the ones that I just was using things left over from other page kits, because I just use stickers, letter stickers from another layout, and we're going to write Butterfly World on here too. So I love when I'm working on a page kit, and you know, this one here, and that's another thing. Most of the page kits, I think all the page kits that I brought had pictures, and I had no pictures for this, so this confirms it. This was leftovers. But I love it when I work on something and I'm like, ooh, I know exactly what pictures I'm going to use with this. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I have probably, I don't know, probably between 50 and 100 layouts that have no pictures on the layout. But do not fear, I have started to work on these pages and been adding pictures to those layouts. Now I'm only doing between, I don't know, 10 to 15 a month that I'm adding pictures to them. But, you know, if you multiply that by 10 months, you know, 10 pages, that's 100 pages. So in 10 months, I could have all those pages that I did without pictures, I could have my pictures in. And I think sometimes I just feel more inspired. And that's weird, right? But I do feel more inspired when I don't have the pictures there with me. Because if I look at the pictures and I'm like, oh, okay, I have, you know, 4 pictures, so I got to fit those on the layout, or I have 1 picture and I got to fit that on the layout. This way, I just come up with something and I always find pictures that I can put on this. So I'm not worried about that, but it doesn't stifle my creativity. I can just do the layout and then find the pictures later. But one thing I don't want to do is that I have, you know, 100 layouts in my scrap room with no pictures, and 5 years from now I have 200 layouts with no pictures on the layouts. I want to make sure that I keep up on that part of it and I put the pictures. It's sort of like the journaling, right? Yes, that's where I do end up putting washi tape on the other side. Same thing with the journaling and putting the layouts in albums, you know. As long as you're on top of it and you're working on it weekly or monthly, then it doesn't matter if you do it right away. A lot of times when I'm working on layouts, you know, I kind of have like deadlines, right? So I'm working on deadlines to get things done. So if I did the journaling, it wouldn't be good. I would just do the journaling just to do the journaling. So I'm really happy to just do it whenever I feel like journaling and I'm going to get it done. So this is where I found those stickers and I end up writing down Butterfly World. So I'm editing this video because there was a buzzing sound when I uploaded the first version. So I'm fixing that. And thanks, Laura, for letting me know. And that's it. That's going to be the end of this page. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.